Let's start. It is possible to construct a quadrilateral with a sufficient data other than 5 sample cases where less than dash parts but some other relationships between them are given. Now this is seeming to be difficult, but it's not difficult. What the question is, just look at it. So here what it simply means is, to construct a quadrilateral, how many relationships or how many points do you need? See here, suppose if you want to construct this quadrilateral, first you will need the length of this base, then the angle number 1, then angle number 2, base angle 1, base angle 2, 1, 2 and 3. Then you will need the length of this side 4, you will need the length of this side 5. And once you know all these five items, you can definitely join this and this quadrilateral will be constructed. So you need these 5 items to construct a quadrilateral. That is the meaning of this sentence. But where less than 5 means, suppose if something is not given, only 4 are given, then also it can be constructed subject to some other relationship is given. Like suppose if something is given like this line, base line is parallel to this upper line, and then one relationship is not given, then also you can construct, because you know it's parallel. You will draw one parallel line and cut this. Okay, that is the meaning of this fill in the blank. So answer is 5 over here.